representation of trial and error.
Each ball has something different in it. This ball has pipe cleaners.
This one has tape,
This one has pom-poms in it.
and this one just has nothing.
At the end, once we take them all out, it will have a little message inside of it.
And this coating it looks pretty simple, but if you don't understand it,
That turns on at 300, which does that for 5 seconds, then turns off. That makes the spin. And then if you come over here,
hold on just a second.
No, that's the home number.
This looks like pretty complex coding, but it's actually pretty simple. They all control the lights on the side.
3, 5, 7.
you just press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6.
Yes.
And it does things like when it hits, when one of the balls comes to this point, it'll turn on.
Fabulous. Thank you so
And
much.
then it ends up here.
Alright,
Ready to sew them?
Perfect. Thank you so
Would
much.
you like to do the first?
this first one has pipe cleaners in it. See how pipe cleaners does.
Ready? Oh, it jumped over it because it didn't have enough power or weight.
Jumped over it because it had too much momentum going down where
It
when it
jumped
hit
over.
the cup, it hit the end of the cup here and jumped down to the ground.
Okay, Abby, now turn the lights off. Here's the second one. It has tape inside of it. Oh, and it jumped over 2 cups.
It had a bit more force than it needs to get all of the cups all the way down.
Do you want to let the one that
The lights I'm controlling
And I control the saucepan.
controls. Oops.
Would you like to do the pom-poms? We
This
haven't
one-
tested the pom-poms out yet.
Also, this one has some black pom-poms in it.
And ready? I have a feeling this one's gonna, it's very heavy, so I'm feeling it's gonna jump. Oh, looks like it didn't have enough weight.
Let's try that one again to see if that was just a little bit of an unlucky.
Ready?
Mhm.
Lights off.
Oh, so the first time it didn't have enough momentum, but the second time it had too much.
Different way you put it in, we'll have to put it next. Last one, and then a message.
This has nothing inside of it. It is
Nothing
just
else, just a plain ball. Just a plain ball. Oh, that one couldn't get past. Would we like to try that one again? Okay. You can try it.
alright.
Ready? Lights off.
Oops, I keep forgetting that.
Woo!
Made
That one
it.
worked successfully.
And now for the
Message.
message. It says, I heart
Summertime. Welcome to summer.
Amazing ladies.